Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Cadillac ATS Premium Luxury Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z9646XX. Only 10,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, phantom gray metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. The ATS is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. The ATS has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, cross traffic alert, along with backup camera, rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium luxury has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large Q infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. Navigation. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate, as well as heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead. Home-link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this ATS is a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 335 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon and a city average of 27 on the highway. And approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.